Welcome to the smart home revolution. The future is here, and it's incredibly smart. Smart home technology is transforming houses into interactive and intuitive living spaces. This revolution is not just about convenience, it's about efficiency, security, and enhancing our lifestyle. From voice-activated assistants to intelligent lighting systems, smart homes are becoming the standard. This comprehensive guide will explore the exciting world of smart home technology. We will delve into the latest devices, providing insights into their features and benefits. Learn practical tips for setup and integration, making your transition to a smart home seamless. We'll also look ahead, exploring the future trends shaping this dynamic landscape. Artificial intelligence and energy management are at the forefront of this evolution. Discover how these advancements will further revolutionize our homes and daily lives. Join us as we unlock the potential of smart home technology. This journey is about empowering you with the knowledge to embrace a smarter, more connected future. At the heart of many smart homes lies the smart speaker, acting as the central command center. Devices like Amazon Echo and Google Nest Hub offer a seamless way to control various aspects of your home using just your voice. They act as a central hub, connecting all your smart devices. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and even your coffee maker with simple voice commands. Smart speakers make this possible, simplifying daily tasks and offering unparalleled convenience. But their capabilities extend far beyond basic commands. Stream your favorite music, set reminders, make calls, and even control your television, all hands-free. Smart speakers are constantly evolving, with new features and integrations added regularly. This constant evolution ensures your smart home remains at the forefront of technology, providing endless possibilities for customization and control. Embrace the power of voice control and experience the true potential of a connected home. Smart lighting is more than just turning lights on and off remotely. It's about creating the perfect ambiance for every occasion. Smart bulbs from Philips Hue and Lifx offer a spectrum of colors and adjustable brightness levels. Transform your living room into a cozy haven with warm, dimmed lights, or energize your workspace with bright, cool tones. The possibilities are endless. Set schedules to automatically turn lights on and off, saving energy and adding a layer of security. Imagine arriving home to a well-lit house even before you step inside. Smart lighting can also integrate with other smart home devices like motion sensors to further enhance convenience and security. This level of customization and automation makes smart lighting an essential aspect of any modern smart home. Experience the transformative power of smart lighting and illuminate your home in a whole new light. Security is paramount, and smart home technology offers innovative solutions for safeguarding your home. Smart security systems, including cameras, doorbells, and sensors, provide comprehensive protection and peace of mind. Imagine receiving real-time notifications on your smartphone if any unusual activity is detected. Smart cameras, like those from Arlo and Ring, allow you to monitor your home remotely, ensuring everything is secure. Smart doorbells take security a step further by providing video calls to your phone when someone is at the door, even if you're not home. This feature allows you to screen visitors and deter potential intruders. Integrated sensors can detect motion, window breaks, and even smoke or carbon monoxide, alerting you immediately and contacting emergency services if needed. With smart security, you're always connected, ensuring your home and loved ones are protected. Section 5. Smart appliances. Effortless efficiency. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, and smart appliances are transforming it into a haven of efficiency and convenience. Imagine a refrigerator that helps you create grocery lists or a dishwasher that can be started remotely. Smart refrigerators, like those from Samsung and LG, offer features like internal cameras, allowing you to check your groceries while at the store. Smart ovens, such as those from Breville and June, offer precision cooking and can be controlled remotely, making meal preparation a breeze. But the benefits extend beyond convenience. Smart appliances can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Imagine a washing machine that optimizes water and energy usage based on load size and fabric type. These advancements not only save you money, but also reduce your environmental footprint. Embrace the future of home appliances and experience a new level of efficiency and ease in your daily routines. Section 6. Seamless integration connecting your smart home. A truly smart home is not just about individual devices, It's about how seamlessly they work together. This is where the concept of a connected ecosystem comes into play. Platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit act as the glue, binding all your smart devices together. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and security system with a single voice command or through a central app on your smartphone. This level of integration simplifies control, making your smart home experience truly intuitive and effortless. But the benefits extend beyond convenience. A connected ecosystem allows devices to communicate with each other, creating automation routines tailored to your lifestyle. For instance, you can set your lights to turn on and your coffee maker to start brewing as soon as your alarm goes off. This level of personalization and automation is what defines a truly intelligent and responsive smart home. Section 7. Setting up your smart home, a beginner's guide. Embarking on your smart home journey might seem daunting, but it's much simpler than you might think. Start by identifying your needs and priorities. Are you looking to enhance security, simplify daily routines, or create a more energy-efficient home? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, research and choose the devices that align with your needs and budget. Most smart home devices are designed for easy setup, often requiring just a power source and a connection to your Wi-Fi network. Download the corresponding app for each device, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. The key is to start small and gradually expand your smart home ecosystem as you become more comfortable with the technology. Remember, building a smart home is an ongoing process, not a race. Take your time, explore the possibilities, and enjoy the journey of transforming your house into a truly intelligent living space. Section 8. AI and the Smart Home. A glimpse into the future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is poised to revolutionize the smart home experience, taking it to a whole new level of personalization and anticipation. Imagine a home that learns your preferences and adapts to your routines, predicting your needs before you even realize them. AI-powered smart assistants will become more intuitive, understanding natural language, and even anticipating your needs based on your daily routines. Imagine your smart home automatically adjusting the lighting and temperature based on your typical arrival time. AI can also play a crucial role in enhancing home security. Imagine a security system that can distinguish between familiar faces and strangers, reducing false alarms and providing more accurate threat detection. This is just a glimpse of what the future holds. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and transformative applications in the realm of smart homes. Section 9. Energy Management Smart Homes for a Sustainable Future. In an era of increasing environmental awareness, smart homes are emerging as powerful tools for promoting sustainability and reducing our carbon footprint. Imagine a home that monitors and optimizes energy consumption, minimizing waste and promoting responsible resource utilization. Smart thermostats like those from Nest and Ecobee learn your temperature preferences and adjust heating and cooling accordingly, reducing energy consumption without compromising comfort. Smart lighting systems can automatically dim or turn off lights when rooms are unoccupied, further conserving energy. Smart appliances, as discussed earlier, contribute to energy efficiency by optimizing water and energy usage based on real-time conditions. These advancements not only benefit the environment but also translate into significant cost savings on your utility bills. By embracing smart home technology, we can create a more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Section 10. Embracing the Future. The benefits of smart home technology. The benefits of smart home technology extend far beyond mere convenience. Smart homes offer enhanced security, providing peace of mind and protecting our loved ones. They promote energy efficiency, reducing our environmental impact and saving us money on utility bills. But perhaps the most significant benefit is the transformative impact on our lifestyle. Smart homes simplify daily routines, freeing up valuable time and reducing stress. They create a more comfortable and enjoyable living environment, tailored to our individual preferences and needs. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and life-enhancing applications to emerge. Embracing smart home technology is not just about keeping up with the latest trends. It's about investing in a future where our homes are an extension of ourselves, seamlessly integrated into our lives. Section 11. Conclusion: your smart home journey begins today. The future of living is here, and it's smarter than ever. Smart home technology is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a rapidly growing reality, transforming how we interact with our living spaces. From voice-activated assistants and intelligent lighting to advanced security systems and energy-efficient appliances, the possibilities are limitless. The key is to take that first step. Start by identifying your needs and exploring the vast array of devices available. Embrace the simplicity of setup and the seamless integration these technologies offer. As you embark on your smart home journey, remember that it's an ongoing process of discovery and customization. Experiment with different devices, explore automation possibilities, and personalize your smart home to reflect your unique lifestyle. The future is waiting. Step into the world of smart home technology and unlock a world of convenience, efficiency, and endless possibilities.